Welcome to Excel for Tally. In this video, we will learn about how to set and remove password from Excel sheet. This is our Excel sheet. We will save this file. Now close the Excel sheet and open file again. Open the file we have saved earlier. The Excel file has opened and it does not require any password to open. Sometimes we have any secure data in Excel and so we want security for the file. In that case, Excel has a function for a password protect sheet. Now save the file again and we will see how to set password for a Excel file. Choose Path for the file and click on Tools. Click on General Options from Tools. In General Options, there is option to write password for the Excel file. There are two options here. First option is to open file by password and second option is to modify file by password. Write password in first option. Re-enter password to confirm the password. Now save the file and see the result. Open the latest Excel file. The Excel file requires password to open. The file can't open without password. Write password here and open the file. In this way, we can set password for Excel file. We can modify anything in this file. Save the Excel file. Now we will see the second option from the security tools. Write password in password to modify. Confirm the password and save the sheet. Open the latest Excel file. In step 1, write password to open. In step 2, write password to modify the file. If we click on the read-only mode, then we can't edit or modify the file. Write password to modify the file and open it. In this way, we can set password for Excel sheet for open and modify it. We can remove password anytime from the file also. Remove password from the tools and the passwords will be removed. Now we can open file without any password. We hope it will be helpful to you. We will also see advanced Excel function in our upcoming videos. Import all your Excel data to Tally by Excel for Tally.com. Sign up for free to import data. Call us or mail us for any query. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for updates. Watch our other videos on Excel and Tally. Subscribe to our channel to get. Thank you for watching the video.